Hey everyone, in this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you how to share your Google Calendar with anyone in just a few clicks. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. On the left side, find My Calendars and hover over the calendar you want to share. Click the three dots, then choose Settings and Sharing. Scroll down to share with specific people or groups. Now click Add People and Groups and enter their email address. You can also choose what access they get. Options include view only, free BC, see all event details, make changes, or manage sharing. Once you've set the right permission, click send. They'll get an email invitation to view or manage your calendar depending on your settings. You can stop sharing anytime by going back to the same section and clicking the trash icon next to their name. And that's it. That's how to share your Google Calendar in 2025. Perfect for coworkers, family, or clients who need to stay in sync.